Howdy y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, I make easy, healthy, and delicious meals in no time at all. And stop what you are doing and subscribe to my channel, guys, and follow me at Cooking with Hugs on IG so you can see when I'm posting my next videos. Now today we're going to the south, right? This town ain't big enough for the two of us. That's my southern impression. You're welcome for that. So we're going to be making a peach and berry cobbler. Now this isn't your mama's cobbler. This is a healthy version. I'm making it with oats in substitution to the flour and all that fattening crap. We don't need it. I mean, we do a little bit, but we don't need it. Stay tuned to the end while I taste this recipe in front of you guys for the first time. Now, are you guys ready to cook? Let's go. All right, y'all, we gonna use some of this peach. Now, I know peaches are from Georgia, but North Carolina is actually where peach cobbler originated. I did a little bit of Google before I got here. So guys, we're just gonna simply remove the core from the peach and thinly slice these delicious summer juicy peaches. Alright guys, so these are 3 sliced peaches, and you're just going to add about a pack of frozen berries, and of course you could keep the rest in a freezer Ziploc bag to use for your little shakes. So we're going to mix this up nicely and just let those juices get acclimated. So you're just going to crumble it in your hands until you have a nice crumble. So you're just going to spray it down with some cooking spray, and then you're going to lightly pack your butter, oats, and sugar mixture on the bottom of this dish, guys. All right, guys, so this is the oat mixture on the bottom, and then you're going to just pour the peach and berry mixture over it. Now tell me that doesn't look gorgeous. Okay guys, that's how it should look right before it goes in the oven. The granola is covering almost all of it. And then you're gonna bake it in the oven for about 40 minutes or 45 minutes until it's nice and bubbly and oozy. All right guys, we're just gonna simply cover this with aluminum foil. If you have a baking dish that comes with a glass cover, you could easily substitute for that. You're gonna put it in the oven, bake it on 350 for around 45 minutes until it's oozy, juicy, and delicious. Okay guys, so for the big reveal, I just took this out. It's super hot, and I'm actually gonna peel back that foil and check it out. OMG. Guys, this smells, my mouth is watering. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, it smells amazing. I cannot wait to try this. Hi guys, or howdy y'all. I hope nobody takes offense to that. Anyways, today I made a delicious peach and berry cobbler, guys. Now, I took a lot of pictures, but I'm telling you, it smells amazing. And what's so good about this recipe, you don't feel guilty about it because you're using oats, you're using the almond milk, and you're cutting out all of that fattening flour and crumble and all that crap. So let's try it. I want the best scoop, guys. You know the first scoop is for you guys, right? I don't know, YouTubers do this. I'm not really one of them. Okay, here it goes. Why am I laughing? Oh my goodness. I love... Whoa! Okay. I don't know why. It's like you're making me nervous, Peaches. But I don't cook a lot of desserts. Me and my mom and my sisters, we're not really big on desserts. We're more of like a savory family. But there's like that now and again where you're like, I need a little something sweet to finish the night off. And I'm not just talking about you, boys. This is so good, guys. That almond milk with the oats and the granola, it makes like such a delicious soft bite with those peaches that are nice and sweet and those berries. This is out of bounds. Shout out to Guy Fieri, I love you. But guys, I'm gonna take one more bite and then I'm done. Oh God, this is it. Watch this. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Wow. Guys, as always, thank you so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. And as always, I love you so, so much. 4 hugs starts right now. You ready? 1, 2, 3, and the last one's so tight for you guys. 4. Love you guys. Bye.